is 1. What is a Pascal triangle? The Pascal triangle helps us to solve our binomial expansion in a very easy way by building the coefficients to use in solving our binomial expansion. So at this point, when we have a binomial expansion, to the power of our binomial expansion to be 0, so it's at this level. So at this level, we have it, when we have it to be 1, the power to be 1. At this level, we have the power to be 2. So this one is 3, 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, and we have 1. So when we have the power of our binomial expansion to be 3, so when we have 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6, 3 plus 1 is 4, we keep 1. So when we have the power of our binomial expansion to be 4, we make use of these coefficients. So we have 1 plus 4 is 5, 10, 6 plus 4 is 10, 4 plus 1 is 5. So at this level, the power of the binomial expansion here is 5. So let us stop at 6. So we have 1 plus 5 is 6, 5 plus 10 is 15, 10 plus 10 is 20, 10 plus 5 is 15, 5 plus 1 is 6, and 1. So at this level, the power of our binomial expansion is 6, and so on and so forth. So we'll be using this to solve our binomial expansion. Okay, using binomial expansion, we have to expand 2x minus 1 raised to power 4. So this one is like saying a plus b raised to power 4, which is n, the n term. Our a represents 2s, our b represents the second term, which is minus 1. In case of b, in case of a, is 2x. Now, when we look at this part, it falls here on the fourth row. So we are using these coefficients 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. That's the coefficients we are using to solve 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. And we know that the first one, the value of x, the value of n reduces, and the second one, the value of n increases. So let's take that one. Let's take it of that one. So for the first one, which is 2s, so we have 2s. So the value of this reduces. So it starts with 4. We're starting with 4, okay, times minus 1, which is b, and we are starting this with 0. What's the coefficient here? Times 1. Okay, so plus, we take this again. The coefficient here is 4. So the value of this is 2x. It reduces, times the other one increases, plus the next coefficient is 6. The value of 2x. So we stop at 3. So it comes down to 2 times minus 1, we stop at 1, it goes back to 2. So the value of the first one decreases, while the value of the second term increases from 0, from 1, to 2. So plus the next coefficient here is 4. So we have 2x. So we have 1 times, we have minus 1. So the value of x here, the n term goes back to 3. Okay, so the last coefficient here is 1. So the value of x here is now 0. So times minus 1 is power 4. So we now solve. So from here, 2 is power 4 is 16. X is to power 4. Minus 1 is power 0 is 0. That one is 1. Plus we have 2 is power 3 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. So we have 32. Plus times minus is minus. So minus 32x cubed. Plus we are having 2 is power 2 is 4. This 4 times 6 is 24 s squared times this, which is still this, plus, so this will be minus, okay, minus 1 times this should be minus, so 2 is power, so this one is 4 times 2, that is 8x, plus 2 is power, this one is 1, is gone, and this will be plus, when you times this in 4 places, we still have 1. Now, when we look at x plus 2 is power 3, it's like it fall into the third row. So we make use of these coefficients. We use this coefficient to solve it. So a plus b is like a and b, and this is the nth term, which is 3. Now, how do we go about this? We have the coefficient. This is the coefficient we are using, which is 1, 3, 3, 1. Okay, we are multiplying with this. So we have x to be x is power 3. So as the power of this decreases, the power of this increases. So what do I mean? from S3 it becomes S2, it becomes X1, and until it's finally vanished. Okay, we're starting with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. So we are starting with 0. So plus, so the next one is 3. Okay, the value of this decreases, we have x to the power 2. Okay, times this one increase, we have 2 to the power 1. Okay, plus the next coefficient is 3. The value of this decrease to 1 times the value of this increase, that is 2 to the power 2, plus the last one here is 1, times the value of x now is 0, times the value of 2 is 3. So when we now solve this, we have x to the power 3 is x to the power 3 times 1 is still x to the power 3, plus this one is 3 times 2 is 6, plus 6x squared, plus, so we have 2 to the power 2 to be 4, 4 times 3 is 12, so we have 12x, plus this one is 1, 2 to the power 3 is 8. Thank you very much.